Hey Dutch crew, welcome back to the channel, the home of no nonsense barbecue. Well, today we're going to be making this. This is Costco's Chicken Bake Copycat. We're going to be using a Gozney Dome and we're going to make this from scratch. So we get some cast iron into the Gozney Dome. We're running the dome at 270 degrees C, that's 520F. Our cast iron's up to temperature now. We're just going to add a little bit of oil. Just let that warm up. Then we've got 4 rashers of bacon. We're just going to lay these into the pan. You can hear that sizzle straight off. We want to cook this bacon until it's nice and crispy. We'll get this back into the Gozney Dome and get it cooking. There's nothing better than the sound of sizzling bacon. I'm just going to turn this skillet round so we're getting a nice even cook on this bacon. I'm going to turn the bacon now over. Get it back in and we're going to let this go until it's nice and crispy. So that's our bacon ready. We're going to move the bacon from the pan, get onto some absorbent paper. Look at that little bit at the end. We're going to let this cool down now. Now we've got 3 chicken breasts. Get them into the pan. You can see the pan's still sizzling hot. We'll get this into the Gozney Dome. Cooking at the same temperature, 270C, 520F. We're just going to turn these chicken breasts. Rotate the pan to 180 degrees. We've just checked the temperature, and yeah, with it 74 degrees C, that's 165F. We'll remove these, get them onto a plate, and we'll let these cool. Right, we're going to make the filling now for our Costco Copycat Chicken Bake. We've cubed our chicken that we've cooked, the bacon we've broken up into pieces. We're going to add about 75 grams of cream cheese. We're going to go 200 millilitres of Caesar salad dressing. We're going to save some. Just going to put into this little ramekin here. You'll see why in a little bit. We're going to go with a little sprinkle of salt, half a teaspoon, and a good seasoning of black pepper. What we want to do now is mix all this up so all the ingredients are combined. And that's our filling ready. I've just got some store-bought dough here. The reason I'm using this is because it's in oblong and it's the shape we need. Bit fiddly to get off the backing paper. But once it's off, we're just going to cut it into half. So we're going to be making 2 chicken bakes. We've got our mixture now, and we're just going to lay that down the centre of our pizza dough. We want to make sure we leave a good edge around the sides of these. We'll load the second one up. Keep the ends clear. And now it's time to fold. So we're just going to bring one side over to the middle. Overlap it with the other side. Gently press down on it. Seal the ends. Turn them over and crimp them on. Same with the second one. Seal the ends. Now we're going to go back to that Caesar salad dressing that we saved, and we're just going to brush it on the top of these chicken bakes. Got a little bit of parmesan here. We're just going to lightly grate this over the top. And now it's time to cook. So we're going to put these into the Gozney Dome. First mistake I've realised is loading onto the peel the wrong way. So we're going to have to do some quick turning. There's one end starting to cook quicker than the other. We're going to come in and we're just going to rotate this round. Just get that other end near. Just keep on rotating. Do this whole side. And there we go, that's our first Costco Chicken Bake Copycat ready. We'll launch the other one in now. Now we're going to launch this one properly. Sideways on. Give it a turn through 180. That's our second Copycat ready for the colour. Get them onto the board and get ready for serving. After all that hard work, we better have a look inside and see what we've got. Let's have a taste. For shop bought dough, that's not bad. It's nice and crispy. The chicken's nicely cooked. It's quite moist still. A lot of salt coming through from that bacon. The Caesar salad and the cream cheese together really brings this together. You only need to spend £25 on membership to go to Costco to get these.